I'm Andrew McCutchen. I'm the President and CEO of Baymar Solutions, and we just purchased a building not long ago, and as part of our operations expansion, we needed to do some build out to grow the operations side of our business and our manufacturing space. And so I looked around for different general contractors, and Mike and I had worked together on a project 8 years ago or so. He did a fantastic job back then, so I called him up to help quote this project when we were in the early stages. And we went through the whole quoting process, got all the bank approvals and everything like that. And once everything was approved, we kept moving forward. He had the best quote, and I had experience working with him on a successful project before, so we pressed on. And once we got everything approved and owned the building, we started working with the architects to lay everything out and design what we needed from the space. And then we went through the whole permitting process, which went smooth as well. Mike really helped expedite that process so we could get moving faster. So part of the build out we were doing, we were building out a fabrication space, so putting up some walls all the way up to the 20-foot ceilings. We put in a firewall to subdivide the space, which also included adding additional bathrooms and a kitchen and outside access to divide that space. We added a lot more electricity as well, 800 amps, and so that was a major undertaking, along with running a whole new sub panel for the fabrication space. So it was a pretty major project. We had to move in as part of this. We were still trying to operate while all of this was going on. And Mike and his team did a fantastic job working with us to allow us to continue to work and working around us, as well as trying to keep clean areas and things like that for us to continue to operate. One thing, since I was here every day and our team was here every day working, one thing I was really impressed with is that they showed up every day, every morning, and were here supervising the job. I've had other experiences in the past that were not like that. And so it's great to have a GC that really cares and wants to do a good job for you and shows up every day and helps solve problems. You know, you're always going to run into things. But he always worked really hard to solve issues that came up and do his best to not have any kind of cost increase or anything like that. So it went really smooth. The work done, you know, it's a commercial space. It's industrial grade, if you will, and everything was done to an industrial grade, right? It's heavy duty, top quality materials, and his team did a great job with it. So we're really happy with the way everything turned out. We were able to get up and running. The place looks great. Everybody's always really impressed when they come in, and we're just really happy with how everything turned out. So if you're looking for a general contractor that's going to show up and really care about your project and do a great job, Mike Young is a great general contractor to work with.
Hi, my name is Mike Young, President of Michael G. Young Contractor Incorporated. I'm here today with Andrew McCutchen, President of Baymar Solutions, at his new facility in Odessa, Florida. When Andrew contacted me about a year ago, we met over here to evaluate the vision of his moving into this facility, and we created a budget and worked our way through the budget to get the bank financing approved, and then move forward to hiring the architect and engineers to develop the building plans and submit for permitting. At that time, we waited for the permitting. We were getting all the colors and materials selected for the project. And one of the major issues with this project was the requirements of the power. We had to up the service. It was originally 200 amps. We had to bring in another 600 amps for a total of 800 amps. And we removed 200 amps to the adjoining suite, which is a leased suite now. And we created a machine room and upped the air conditioning requirements, added ductwork, built firewall and other partitioning, installed doors and frames and painting, of course, and now you see the finished product. And I'm so happy to see that he's up and running and his business is doing well. And if you are ever considering doing a remodeling project or a new construction project, please feel free to give me a call anytime. My name is Michael Young with Michael G. Young Contractor Incorporated.
To have Michael G. Young Contractor, Inc. build or remodel for you, call 813-999-3222 to schedule your free construction consultation.